Igbo kwenu, kwenu, kwezonu. Daluni rinne. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my channel. Thank you bye for subscribing. Thank you for everything. Dalo rinne. So in today's lesson, the Krekre Star Ndibo is bringing to you how to learn number in Igbo language. That is onuogugu. How to learn numbers in Igbo language. So we're going to be learning from 1 to 10 in today's class. In subsequent time, we'll be learning. So always tune in, subscribe to this channel so that you can be able to follow the learning. You can be able to follow the learning so you can't mess it up. Okay, so let us start. 1, otu, 2, abụọ, abụọ, 3, atọ, atọ, 4, anọ, anọ, 5, ise, ise, 6, isii, isii, 7, asaa, asaa, 8, asatọ, asatọ, 9, itoolu, itoolu, 10, iri. Very simple. So this is from 1 to 10 in Igbo language. See you in my next lesson. Till then, have a nice day and stay safe. Thank you.